Hi, I'm Junge from P1 Generator Windings. I'm a living example of the P1 pathways that we are developing. I started with P1 back in 2013 as a part-time machine operator over at our main facility at 17 Mohawk Ave. From there, I learned the various aspects of the Mazak mills, lathes, and started doing more Mastercam programming. From there, I helped out in our Scotia facility called Integrated Fab. I eventually flexed back to P1 to do some nighttime machining and programming on our Integrex multi-axis machine. I was on that machine for about 2 years before I eventually transitioned over to full-time within P1. I joined our Coil Division as the primary programmer. As I developed my skill set in programming the various coil sets that we produce, I moved into the engineering and fixturing design role and now oversee the fixturing design and programming aspects of the coils. Eventually in 2019, I became the plant manager and I still oversee the engineering and programming of the various coil sets that we do. My day-to-day operations includes quality assurance, programming, fixturing issues, fixturing design, and various other aspects required for the manufacturing of coils. My most enjoyable aspect of P1 is all the changes for day-to-day. Nothing is the same. Some days I'm locked in the office doing programming and fixture designs. Other days I'm out on the floor, boots on the ground with the guys on working through our production, just trying to make the deadlines that our customers have set forth for us. This job has greatly impacted my life. It has allowed me to provide for my family and do the things I absolutely love doing. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I love working with my hands, and P1 has afforded me that opportunity. I realize that it's not just a job that I have, it's actually a full-time career. From what I used to do in the past at night to now my full-time day-to-day operation, I can only dream what my future holds for me within P1.